Hi good people, welcome to today's episode, and today we'll be making a new potato recipe using minced meat and some cheese. Karibuni sana. The first thing we'll do is put our minced meat in a pot, and then you grate some ginger and garlic like I am doing. Then we will proceed from there. Our next ingredient is pepper, and I'll just add half of this to spice it up. Add some water to make sure your meat is well cooked. We'll add salt to taste, and then black pepper, but if you have mixed spices you can add as well, and then we'll just wait for our meat to cook. In a separate pot we'll boil our potatoes, and to our potatoes we'll add some salt to taste and black pepper, then we'll cover it to cook. Meanwhile, our minced meat is ready, so now we'll go ahead and add some oil to it and onions, then we'll fry our minced meat. After our onions have cooked for a while, we'll go ahead and add our cubes just to spice up our meat some more. At this point we'll add our tomatoes and then stir and let them simmer for a few minutes on low heat. As you can see, our tomatoes are very well cooked, so we'll go ahead and add our capsicum and let it cook for a few minutes. Our minced meat is now ready, so we'll go ahead and check if our potatoes are good to go. So as we can see, it's not yet ready, so we'll just give them time to cook well. Our potatoes are ready, very well cooked, so we'll go ahead and start mashing. And please note, you have to make sure that you've put enough salt. And for the lovers of butter, this is where you add your butter. Our mashed potatoes are now ready. The next step will be to oil our pan and make sure the oil spreads to the entire pan. And then after that, we'll put our mashed potatoes and spread it on the pan. Make sure it is evenly spread. Oh, please note you have to reduce your flame. This has to be cooked on low heat. Yeah, so then we'll go ahead and spread our mashed potatoes like I had earlier said. We'll now go ahead and add our minced meat and spread it on top of the mashed potatoes. Make sure it is well covered. Do you guys remember we made this cheese in this channel? Yeah, that is what I am using. So I grated it into smaller bits and now I'm spreading it round the pan and making sure every part of our minced meat is covered in cheese. Then we'll let it cook for a few minutes. We'll just cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Then we'll be back. After 20 minutes, this is how our meal looks like, and I just can't wait to dig in. You can try this at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I'll really appreciate your honest feedback. The time we've all been waiting for is here. It's time to eat. Yeah, so let's see how well it came out. Can you see all this yumminess? Oh, this meal was delicious. My family and I really enjoyed, and I'd really love it if you try this at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. It is so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Thank you.